Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the honorable all participants who attended in this conference. Let me introduce myself. My name is Imroto Saliha, and I am a representative from Pertamina University. Today, I would like to present a paper. The entitled is Preference of Sludge Treatment Plant in IPA 2 Pejompongan Water Treatment Plant. And this is my outline. First is background, and the last is conclusion. Next is background. IPA Pejompongan currently has no sludge treatment, where the treated sludge is discharged directly into the surrounding water bodies. The name is Krukut River. Discharge of mud into rivers can damage the river aesthetic and endanger the aquatic biota in it, because increased turbidity in water bodies will interfere with sunlight penetration, which will then block the photosynthesis process. Therefore, the goals of this paper are to determine the existing condition of sludge treatment at IPA 2 Pejompongan and to determine the appropriate alternative for sludge treatment based on the characteristic of the sludge in IPA 2 Pejompongan. And the location of this research at IPA 2 Pejompongan, South Jakarta. Next is data and method. This is the existing mass balance of sludge production water treatment at IPA 2 Pejompongan. The sludge sampling method is area integrated. That is by combining the sample taken from the pre-sedimentation valve or primary setting and the pulsator. And this is data from IPA 2 Pejompongan from January until December 2019. From figure 1, we can see that the most significant sludge discharge comes from the pulsator, because the most significant allowance for suspended solid is in the pulsator unit. In January until June, the resulting mud flow is greater than July until December, because in that month, the rainy season occurs in Jakarta. And in table 1, we can see the characteristic of sludge produced in the primary setting unit and pulsator at IPA 2 Pejompongan. There are density of sludge, solid level, and contribution to total sludge at IPA 2 Pejompongan. Next is sludge quality data. This is comparison of sludge quality with standard in Jakarta, and the regulation is regulation the governor of the Special Capital Region of Jakarta Province, number 69 of 2013. Next is the method. In this journal, in this paper, using for alternative mechanical dewatering units, that is bed filter press, centrifuge, screw press, and pressure filter press. In selection alternative sludge treatment plants, the parameters that must be met are land area and electrical energy requirement. The available land area is 1,300 meters square, and the maximum electrical energy that can be used for a sludge treatment plant is 100 kilowatt. Based on this for mechanical unit, that the require more than 100 kilowatt of energy are centrifugal and pressure filter press, so that the alternative option to be considered are the bed filter press and screw press. In the figure 2, you can see the schematic diagram of alternative sludge processing with bed filter press and screw press. And for the processing data, we use TOPSIS method. TOPSIS is the method that can determine the best alternative from several alternative solutions with various criteria. This is the equation. There are positive ideal solution, negative ideal solution, and the preference value. The key point of this method is the greater the preference value, the smaller the distance to the positive ideal solution, and the further away distance to the negative ideal solution. The value of greatest preference will be the chosen alternative. And this is the TOPSIS data processing results between bed filter press and screw press. The result is that the screw press is the alternative with the highest preference and will be the best design alternative applied in IPA 2 Pejompongan. Why screw press? Because screw press it is closer to the positive ideal solution and also further away from negative ideal solution than belt filter press. And so the conclusion that the research of the best alternative selection analysis show that the screw press can be used as stretch treatment at IPA to Pejompongan. And before using the screw press, pre-treatment in the form of gravity thickening and semiconductor condition is required. And this is the references we use in this paper. Okay, that's all from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.